Hi, I'm Jamie Roddy with Eden LA Interiors, and this is 30th Street, Manhattan Beach. This home is all about combining modern architecture, strong lines, masculine elements with softer, more feminine elements that make the home welcoming, warm, comfortable. So there's so many beautiful elements to this house. I can't wait to show them to you. Come, let's take a look. Let's start the tour in the place where you'd start the day, in the master suite. You've got soaring ceilings and you've got your own private terrace. The comfortable bed and the roaring fireplace all create the most coziest atmosphere that you'd want to start and end your day. I'm particularly in love with the ensuite bathroom. It's a zen oasis in there. I've placed river rocks in the shower pan to give an earthy feel, to really ground the modern architecture in there. This room is the icing on the cake of the house. It is absolutely infused with ample and abundant sunlight. Across from these great abstract art panels is this tall sculptural fireplace. You'll see that the white tile on the sides actually wraps around and leads us to the floor to ceiling glass windows that open all the way so we can enjoy that great ocean breeze. Every day living here is like a vacation. This is a kitchen so welcoming, anyone would feel at home here, from beginning cooks to expert chefs. One of my favorite design features is this gorgeous natural stone waterfall edge island. We had it backed with the washed oak from the floors to tie in more of these natural elements. If you look out over the expansive view of Manhattan Beach, you'll see a very gorgeous spun iron chandelier that also ties in to these great pendant lights. Let's go check out where the real action happens, the back deck. So this is the upper level deck where the architecture of the home really shines. You've got this gorgeous ipe wood on the ceilings that creates an absolute warmth. You've got a black marble fireplace, barbecue, built-in kitchen, two separate bar areas for full food preparation. The heaters above and the ocean breezes, it's pure indoor-outdoor living. Well, thanks for coming by. I had a wonderful time designing this space and I hope you enjoyed seeing it. I think I'm gonna chill now and enjoy it for a bit. We'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. How about love? Share these homes, you know?